stories which comes up, and this is the most special night which we all of our leaders cherish. I'm pretty sure today again it would be an epic night. And every time post the testimony night, the stories which comes out, we have a beautiful deep sleep of fulfillment and satisfaction that we are on the right path, we are on the right product, we are with the right people. And trust me, the journey of 3.5 years has been extraordinary beautiful, flowing in the blessings and the magical moments what we have seen in every family. Today, if you are here new or somebody has invited you, I would only tell you, all of you guys who are listening to the stories, the angels would be coming in. Okay, before I start, once again, welcome to the 37th episode of Testimony Night of Frequency Therapy. Myself, Lena Joy, I'm a certified life coach, Ho'oponopono healer, and a senior vice president of Frequency Healing in India. Now, what are we doing today? We are sharing our heart out. There are angels coming in who have used Healy maybe for 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, but they are coming here live. The real people, the real stories, the transformation stories of their mental health, of their physical pains, of their emotional disconnects, of their spiritual disconnects. They are going to come and share how they were able to transform by using frequency healing. We all know that you don't get what you want, you get what you become. हमें वो नहीं मिलता जो हमें चाहिए, हमें वो मिलता है जो हम बनते हैं. अगर हमको भगवान भी चाहिए ना, तो भगवान बनना पड़ता है, तब जाके भगवान को पाते हैं. नाउ द फ्रीक्वेंसी थेरेपी आपको बिल्कुल बदल देता है, आपको वो इंसान बनाता है, आपकी आइडेंटिटी चेंज करता है कि आपको सब कुछ मिलता है बिकॉज आपने चुना है, आप वो बने हो. So it's not about chasing, it's not about attracting, it's about becoming a magnet. आप वो चीज हो जो आपके पास सब कुछ आएगा. एक गुड हेल्थ, अ गुड रिलेशनशिप, मनी, प्रॉस्पेरिटी, वेल्थ, हर चीज आपके पास आएगा. So let's get started. I just want to start this session with my gratitude to Pushdev Sharma sir, Vikas Kishore Singh, all my leaders, Ashwini, Sheila, Pragya, Mayank ji, Preet, all of the leaders, Aditya ji, Rajendra. Because of them, we are able to have this session every month. So my heartful gratitude to all of you guys for making this possible today. And also, this session, we have testimonies both in Hindi and English. So be comfortable. If you are comfortable in sharing in Hindi, you can. If you are comfortable in sharing your mother tongue, you can. Okay. It's just that language doesn't have, I mean, we understand the vibration. So that's okay. You can share your heart out. Thank you so much for being here. All of you guys who are ready to get started. I have Pragya, I have Ashwini, Rajendra over here to help me out with who's going first. Only one request. Padma and Surabhi has placed a special request to go early. So if they are available, please raise your hand and you will be called. So who is going first? Pragya.
We have Survi already ready, raising her hand. We can start with Survi.
Oh, great. Go ahead, Surabhi.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Surbhi from Belgaum, and thank you, madam, for making me share in the first spot. Actually, last time also, Ashwini madam had given me the chance to share first in Kannada. Today, I'm speaking in English because I want to reach to all the audience and all my Healy members, my family, extended family who are present here. I would like to take the names of all the wonderful people who are also like my family who have met from Healy, Leena madam, Ashwini madam, and Rajeshwari madam, and Umesh sir who has helped us a lot. And even today he is currently helping me and my family while using Healy. And Satish sir and Vikas sir, special thanks to him. Even in his, he has got a lot of busy schedule, but he always manages to reply to me. And in Belgaum, I think I am the youngest member who is currently using Healy. Like I've took this watch, but my Healy journey starts like it has been completely 1 year has completed now. And that time actually my pet was not well, and suddenly I don't know how that vibration created, or suddenly I got the Healy device came into my house, and sir started the demo, and I was not aware actually, because my father was taking that aura test and all. I was not aware. I was just like, some device they are showing, but I don't know what it is. But my pet was not well. I was just doing Agnihotra that time. I didn't know much about this all quantum physics, healing and all. But Satish sir had come and Umesh sir had come. They said, yeah, even your animal pet will get well, just try it. And Umesh sir gave his own Healy to me. I started using Animal Program and all Healy on my Apple, my lab dog. He was suffering from parvovirus, but we had already spent already 1 lakh nearly to him, but nothing was happening. Maybe because of our house energies and all, and our negative, something was affecting him, and I was not aware what it was. But since I started using Healy, 1 week itself, we started having food, and everything was like, I was so happy. I couldn't believe that just because of Healy, my dog started, responding so well. Like, he was not responding to treatment and all. And I had left eating food also for 2 3 days, because I am too much attached to pets. Even currently now, I have 2 pets with me in my house, and outside I have so many street puppies, and I love them. And daily, my family, we make an effort to feed them. And I use Mag Healy so that all the atmosphere is cleansed, and all the vastu and everything was coming to one level. That's all because of Healy and Mag Healy. And Aishwarya madam told just by both the combo. And last year, this time, I've started using, and there is no looking back. After that, I just know that only by using Healy and Mag Healy, all the energies will be cleansed, and all the programs, only by that, all the problems will be solved and everything, because it is everything is made up of energy. That also I didn't know actually. I was thinking that only if you're spiritual, you have to believe in all of that, and if you're not really spiritual, then no use and all. But all the things were clarified once I started attending Madan Bhavi sir, and all his meetings were taken place in Belgaum. And recently also, when I met Leena madam, she gave me a lot of confidence, and she started saying that, you have to speak, and in Belgaum, we have to start telling about this, that how your life has changed. And so we are making an effort to speak about Healy and everything, all the messages, whatever we are feeling, we are trying to make it public and all, how much ever possible. Till then, I was not openly talking about it, maybe because I was feeling that everyone won't believe me, because I'm not a doctor, I'm a lawyer by profession. But Healy has made me so much intelligent, that even if I am not from the profession, I'm started understanding. And my mother was also not well. Recently, we went to Tirupati and came. Even I was not well, but we didn't take any tablet, only because of Healy and Mag Healy. Today we are fine, and we are having food, and we are leading a normal life. And you can see that I'm giving a testimony, which would not be possible without Healy and Mag Healy, or else I would need lot of support. And I think I would fail also, because I would be having some side effects, and I wouldn't be able to sit freely and talk with this much energy and free mind. It is only because of this, and I thank Marcus that he has made such a invention. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Survi.
sir.
It was such a beautiful sharing of yours, and I just love you the way you love animals on the street. I have my heart out to you. Special blessings to you. I feel this is a ritual which I follow, and I don't want to miss it this time. Let's bless Survi. Every angel who is going to come over here, we are going to bless them. They are sharing their heart out, and it's not easy to share all your weaknesses and why you got Healy and how you got come out of it. Nobody has a mood to share, but they are coming and sharing. Let's bless them. And whatever you are blessing, please receive it. I am only going to bless her what I want in my life. So let's bless Surbi for having a beautiful life with all her pets on the street, and her the animals which she look forward for. They may be protected with good health. All her family members with all her desires which she is looking ahead. May she be graced with blessings and lot of wealth flowing in, money flowing in, and be ready to be part of the leadership of Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy, Surbhi. Love you so much. Okay, let's have the second angel going in is Pragya, who is going in next.
We had Padma raising hand. So Padma,
Okay.
if you're there.
So I've left Pragya. You will be putting them on spotlight.
Yeah, we have even Aditya and Rajendra ji helping. So if you can have Padma Saraugi on spotlight.
पद्मा जी आप हैं इधर, आप आइए, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. Okay, great.
Okay, we will move on to the next. We can
Yeah,
have...
Padma ji, you can talk.
Okay, she's there.
बताइए पद्मा जी, आप बोल सकते हैं.
Unmute, she has to unmute.
नमस्कार जी.
नमस्ते.
हाँ, मैं पहले भी आपके इसमें सेशन में आई थी एक बार, और मैंने मीना की मदर हूँ मैं, और मैंने आपको बताया भी था कि हीली का ये मैं ले रही हूँ, इससे मुझे बहुत फायदा हुआ है. अभी रिसेंटली मैं इसको रेगुलर यूज कर रही हूँ. तो जैसे मेरा डिटॉक्स भी मैंने लिया है, मेरे पेन रहता था घुटने में, और मुझे काफी आराम है. मेरे हस्बैंड को हर्पीज हुई थी, तो उनके लिए भी मैंने इसको यूज किया, तो बहुत ज्यादा फायदा हुआ उसके अंदर. और इतनी बढ़िया चीज लग रही कि घर में नेगेटिविटी जो थी वो भी, और वो लगाती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है. तो मैं तो सजेस्ट करूंगी, इतनी बढ़िया चीज से आज तक मैं क्यों वंचित रही, मुझे पता ही नहीं लगा. जबकि मेरी बेटी मुझे बहुत टाइम से बोल रही थी कि आप इसको मम्मी यूज करो, तो मगर मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी. मुझे लग रहा था कि एक तो कुछ भाषा की प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि मैं हिंदी पढ़ी हुई हूँ, तो मुझे थोड़ी दिक्कत आती थी इसमें. तो ये मुझे बराबर रेगुलर समझा रही थी कि मम्मा इसको ऐसे यूज करो, मम्मा इसको ऐसे यूज करो. इस बार मैं एकदम सीरियसली लगी हूँ, क्योंकि इसने 2 बार मेरे को विदेश में, एक बार बादामी कर्नाटक के अंदर मैं बहुत ज्यादा बीमार हो गई थी, तो इसने मुझे रात को ट्रीटमेंट दिया, तो मुझे बहुत फायदा हुआ. तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा बिलीव कर रही हूँ. अभी मेरी बहू है, वो कैंसर पेशेंट है, उसको भी जैसे लगा रहे हैं, तो नींद आ रही है, खाना खा रही है थोड़ा, और काफी रिलीफ लग रहा है उसको भी. तो बहुत अच्छी चीज है. इसके लिए मैं आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगी. आपने इतनी अच्छी चीज से इंट्रोड्यूस कराया मेरी बेटी को भी, और उसने भी मुझे बहुत प्रेशर दिया, तो मैं अब इसको रेगुलर कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
थैंक यू,
थैंक
थैंक
यू.
यू, थैंक यू सो मच. पद्मा जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे सुन के, और मैंने पहले भी आपसे सुना है. बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आप अच्छे से यूज कर रहे हो, यूज करते रहिए, और हमारे टेस्टिमनी नाइट में आते रहिए बताने के लिए हमको इतनी अच्छी अच्छी जो आप जो टेस्टिमनीज ला रहे हो. थैंक यू सो मच. लेट्स ब्लेस पद्मा जी. आपका हर चीज की खुशहाली, हमेशा ऐसी मुस्कान बरकरार रहे आपके घर पे, आपके घर परिवार, हर इच्छाएं आपकी पूरी हो हीली के थ्रू, और आप हमेशा प्रोटेक्टेड रहे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ.
थैंक यू. आपकी विशेष मुझे जरूर काम करेगी, और हीली की.
फॉर श्योर, फॉर श्योर. आपका आशीर्वाद हमारे लिए रखिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल है.
Okay, let's start getting to the next
Next, we have
angel.
Abhirami from Canada.
Abhirami, excited to hear you, dear.
She joined with the Sridevi name.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. I'm here. I am Sridevi Abhirami. I'm joining you guys from Canada. I'm by profession I am an engineer, and I started using Healy because I had an issue with my gastritis. I had severe acidity, and I used to get cough continuously. If I eat, if I don't eat, I tried a lot of medicines, and it was with me for 4 to 5 years to be clear. If I'm correct, before COVID it started, and I went to so many other doctors. I checked my pulmonologist, I checked internal medicine, and everyone had their own course of medicine. I took all of them, knowingly or unknowingly. And after Corona, it became severe for me. Whatever I eat, the acidity raised. And Unfortunately, I was not aware that my cough was because of acidity. Uh, I just believed it was because of some cold or sinus or something like that. And I started using Healy very recently. My brother-in-law introduced me, Dr. Ganesh Raj, and I started using by Jan. Now I am talking properly with you without any cough. Otherwise, to talk in phone or to talk in any meetings, it was very difficult for me all the time. Healy has really cured me. Now, if I go out, I can eat peacefully, whatever kind of food I could eat peacefully. And that was the best part. It helped me to cure my health. And now I do put all analysis and I run periodically the analysis, whatever comes in that. I use Watch Meridian, Meridian 2 program often. And I have tried one time with Beauty program too. It's a nice package. I love using Healy. And another thing I got by using Helios manifestation. It did wonders for me. I moved to Canada with my kids, and my husband was living back in Kuwait, and I did manifestation. And if you guys believe it or not, he's back here with me in 2 months. I started doing manifestation as Feb, and he joined us in March end. So thanks to Ely and thanks to Dr. Ganesh Raj, it really did wonders in my life. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Abhirami. Your name is Sridevi. Okay.
My full name is Sridevi Abhirami.
Okay.
Ganesh Raj might know me as Abhirami.
Okay.
And yeah.
I feel Abhirami has a very high vibration now, so I'll call you Abhirami. Okay, great.
Oh, thank you.
That was a wonderful sharing, Abhirami, and we just loved hearing you. Please keep using as you are using, and the way you are transforming yourself, touch the world also with your transformation. Let's bless Abhirami to have a beautiful life with Healy. Every desire of hers would be fulfilled with Healy. May you have a vibrant health and healing forever, every day. May you see the miracles coming in your life beyond your imagination through Healy. Thank you so much for being part of it.
Thank you.
Next, we have Dr. Virendra Katkar.
Go for it, Virendra ji.
It's not available on video. We can take the other person.
All the angels, you have to be on video, otherwise we will not be able to take you.
Yeah, he's now on video. I can see him.
Great. Yes, Virendra ji, we can see you. Please go ahead.
Is it comfortable in Hindi, ma'am?
हाँ बिल्कुल हम सब हिंदी समझते हैं.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, Healy इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ तो मुझे तो एक्चुअली उसके बारे में तो मालूम ही था कि एक्चुअली वाइब्रेशन एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑल दैट मतलब जो भी है तो वो ऑल दैट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड वाइब्रेशन रहता है. तो मुझे बहुत ईगर था कि ये डिवाइस यूज करना है मुझे, क्योंकि उसका मतलब इट इज प्रोडक्टिव और नॉट, मतलब ये था कि कुछ क्यूरियोसिटी थी कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसा था. तो जब मैंने डिवाइस के लिए अप्लाई किया, डिवाइस ले लिया, रेजोनेंस प्लस लिया, फिर तो उसमें उसमें क्या था कि रेजोनेंस प्लस में पहले 7 दिन गोल्ड साइकिल रहता है. तो 7 दिन का गोल्ड साइकिल ऑनेस्टली पूरा एकदम कंप्लीट किया. एंड 7 दिन के बाद में बहुत ज्यादा बहुत अलग फीलिंग था एक्चुअली. अभी बोल नहीं सकते, वो इंटरनल फीलिंग था वो कि फिजिकली बोले तो मेरा जो नेक पेन था, एक्चुअली आई एम अ डॉक्टर बट आई हैव नेक पेन सिंस 2 years. 2 साल से मुझे पेन था, जो कि एक्चुअली पोस्चर रिलेटेड पेन. एंड ये पहले 2 दिन में मेरा पेन गायब हो गया. लिटरली बोल रहा हूँ मैम, पेन गायब हो गया. और आज अभी मेरे को 10 दिन हो गए, 10 दिन 15 दिन तक अभी तक मुझे पेन नहीं तो इट यूजुअली वो पेन रहता ही था. यूजुअली ऐसा था कि मतलब हर रोज पेन होता था मेरे को, कौन से भी टाइम पे, शाम में मोस्टली, इन द इवनिंग। सो मतलब वो मिरेकल जैसा लगा मुझे तो, physically and internally also. Even if I am today was my OT, and every OT day, I am little anxious and like angry person होता हूँ मैं। तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आज मैंने प्योर काम करके जो एक उसमें प्रोग्राम था, सुबह लिया मैंने उसको। तो ऑल ओवर द ओटी मतलब ऐसा मुझे फीलिंग नहीं हुआ कि ऐसा मतलब कुछ एंग्सियस एंग्जाइटी है, कुछ एंग्रीनेस आ रहा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ। हाँ, 2 मिनट में आता, दो मिनट में कॉल कर। यस। तो ऐसा इट्स अ वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस मैम। मतलब हीली यूज करने के बाद तो बहुत कुछ चेंज हुआ। मतलब जो भी था, एंग्सियसनेस, बहुत सारे बातें हैं वो चेंज हो गए। अभी 7 दिन ही हो गए, जैसे जैसे अभी यूज करेंगे अभी तो उसको और मतलब देखते हैं। मतलब मुझे यही था कि क्यूरियोसिटी थी कि ये काम करता है कि नहीं, कैसे काम करता है, वो मालूम था,
थैंक यू
फ्रिक्वेंसी वाइब्रेशन।
वीरेंद्र
यस
जी। अब
मैम।
तो आपको पता चल गया है कि पेन चला गया तो काम करता है। अभी बहुत
यस
कुछ,
यस,
अभी वो
नहीं काम
डाउट मत
करता है।
रखिए।
नहीं नहीं, डाउट नहीं है मैम, जस्ट जस्ट क्यूरियोसिटी, क्यूरियोसिटी
फैंटास्टिक,
रहती है ना कि
ऑसम,
हाँ।
वेरी नाइस। नहीं, मुझे भी था, जैसे आपको है मुझे भी था, फिर यूज कर करके हमने देखा जो चमत्कार होने लगे। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग एंड शेयरिंग योर हार्ट आउट। बहुत अच्छा लगा
यस मैम।
सुन के आपके। और हर मैं तो चाहती हूँ कि आप हर टेस्टिमनी नाइट में आके बताइए। आपका एंगर इश्यूज भी ठीक होगा, सब कुछ ठीक होगा, लाइन बाय लाइन हीली सब कुछ ठीक कर देगा। ओके,
यस
फैंटास्टिक।
यस मैम,
लेट्स ब्लेस
डेफिनेटली।
वीरेंद्र जी कि आपको हर खुशियां, एक गुड हेल्थ, आपका हेल्थ वाइज ब्लेसिंग्स, आपके लाइफ में चमत्कार हर दिन आपको दिखे हीली के थ्रू। हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ अहेड, कीप यूजिंग हीली ऑलवेज। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ हीली।
Next,
बबीता जैन इज नेक्स्ट। गो ahead बबीता, excited to hear you.
yeah, hi. सो मेरा हीली के साथ में एक्सपीरियंस बहुत पुराना नहीं है। 1 महीने में बहुत कुछ हो गया मेरे लाइफ में। So I'm Babita Jain from Bangalore. And before I say anything about me, I would like to thank Madhu, my friend, and then Sushila ji, and then Sheila ji, and Lata Rangan ji, and Leena ji for bringing me to this life. It has brought me back to life. So मेरे लाइफ में हीली 1 महीने पहले ही आया था। And I was NLP trainer for many years, 20 years, I would say. I was running my center successfully. Brain Brain Abacus की मैं trainer रह चुकी हूँ. I have done phonics, pelvic competition, so many things. But then life happened and I just went blank with everything. और मैंने सब कुछ काम करना छोड़ दिया, मैं बीमार रहने लगी। Lot of emotional things happened, relationship issues happened, and somehow it got on my body. एंड फिर मैं बीमार रहने लगी और मेरा काम से मन हट गया और मैंने अपने बच्चों को ही बोलना शुरू कर दिया, आई डोंट वांट टू वर्क एनी मोर, आई जस्ट लाइक टू डू घर का काम। एंड माई किड्स वर वॉट एवर मेक्स यू हैप्पी, प्लीज डू दैट। सो दिस वॉज माई थिंग। एंड जस्ट 1.5 महीने पहले मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को मिली एंड शी वॉज सरप्राइज टू सी मी लाइक दैट। शी जस्ट टुक आउट हर हीली एंड शी सेड व्हाई डोंट यू यूज दिस। I thought, okay, क्या है, मैं तो healing line में हूँ. Now I am doing Reiki and sound healing and Kobito facial therapy. I'm also learning acupressure, acupuncture. ये healing क्या है? Then she gave it and she said, try it for yourself. 2 दिन में मैंने शायद हीली पे PhD करना ही चालू कर दिया था। एंड दिन रात सोते उठते मैं 2 दिन हीली के साथ ही रही। एंड तीसरे दिन मैंने उसको बहुत क्वेश्चंस पूछे तो शी सेड गो टू सुशीला जी, आई डोंट हैव आंसर्स फॉर ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस, मुझे इतनी नॉलेज नहीं है। मैं सुशीला जी के घर पहुंच गई तीसरे दिन टू फाइंड इट फॉर रियल कि ये सब कुछ काम करता है, क्या ये सच है, क्या ये जो हो रहा है ये सच है। सो मुझे आंसर्स मिले। एंड 4th डे मैंने आके बोला कि मुझे बुक करो। अब मेरे पास पैसा नहीं था बिल्कुल भी। एंड आई वाज लाइक, मैंने पूछा ये मुझे भी लेना है, कितने का है? शी सेड माय डिवाइस इज फॉर, आई थिंक नाउ इट इज 2.5 lakhs। आई सेड ओके, भूल जाओ, मैं नहीं ले सकती। बट मेरे दिल दिमाग में हीली 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 हो गया। एंड आई वाज लाइक, लेना तो है मुझे, कैसे लूँ? सो मैंने अपना एक गोल्ड का सेट बेचा मुझे किसी से मांगना नहीं था। मैंने अपना एक गोल्ड का सेट बेचा क्योंकि मैं घर पहनती ही नहीं हूँ उसको। इट इज देयर लाइंग इन माई कबर्ड, यू नो। एंड मुझे इतना बेनिफिट दिख रहा था कि मुझे अचानक लगा, मुझे डॉक्टर ने बोला ये फंक्शनल डिप्रेशन है। मुझे लगा मैं ठीक ही हूँ, मैं तो हीलर हूँ, मैं ठीक हूँ। लेकिन जस्ट मैं अंदर से हील होती गई। मैंने 4th डे ऑर्डर कर दिया। एंड मुझे मेरे पापा मम्मी से एक ही चीज़ था कि कोई चीज़ लो तो हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी की लो। तो मैंने ऑब्सिडियन बंडल लिया। एंड 2 लाख की जगह मैं 6 लाख स्पेंड कर पाई। एंड तब से मेरी जिंदगी में 2 ही दिन में मेरे काम करने का इंटरेस्ट जो 2 साल से नहीं था वो वापस आया। मुझे डेंगू की वजह से बहुत वीकनेस था 1 साल 2 साल से, वो भी मुझे ठीक होने लगी। और सबसे ज्यादा मुझे एक फैमिली मिली। मैं कहीं ना कहीं लोनलीनेस फीलिंग में चली गई थी। डे तो ठीक निकल जाता, बट शाम को बहुत खालीपन फील होता था। बच्चे बड़े हो गए, उनके पास में वक्त नहीं है, बाकी सब कुछ है। माई गोल वॉज कि बच्चों का शादी करना है, ठीक है। गोल गॉट ओवर, माई गॉड किड गॉट मैरिड। नाउ व्हाट? आई जस्ट मैनिफेस्टेड, भगवान या तो मुझे मौत दे दो या मेरे लाइफ में एक पर्पस दे दो। एंड उसके नेक्स्ट डे ही मुझे हीली मेरे लाइफ में आया। एंड नाउ लोग नो लुकिंग बैक। मैं अभी आज बहुत सारे लोगों से, दोस्तों से मिली। मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरी सूखी सी जिंदगी, जहाँ ऑर्गन सूख रहे थे, स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे थे, मुझे बहुत सारा प्यार मिल गया, मुझे एक परिवार मिल गया। एंड नाउ आई वांट ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स टू जस्ट एक्सपीरियंस हीली फॉर देमसेल्व्स, यू नो। ये ब्लॉक माइंड में है कि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, मैं खरीद सकती हूँ, तो मेरे ख्याल से कोई भी खरीद सकता है। जस्ट गो फॉर इट, यू नो। इट हैज इट विल रिमूव योर ब्लॉक्स इमोशनली, मेंटली, फिजिकली। एंड जो भी कार्मिक कॉस्मिक हम बोलते हैं, अनबिलीवेबल लगता है, स्कैम लगता है, मुझे भी लगा था क्योंकि मैं नॉलेज वाइज तो। और मैं एक्यूप्रेशर करती हूँ। एक और चीज बताना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे मेरिडियंस में क्या प्रॉब्लम है। मेरी अभी टेस्टिंग्स हुई थी, मेरा होमोसिस्टिन लेवल वर्स 22, हाईएस्ट इज 15। तो मुझे पता था कि मेरा वो प्रॉब्लम है। मेरे गॉल ब्लैडर में स्टोन है, मुझे आया था। फैटी लिवर grade 1 है, मुझे पता था। एंड व्हेन आई चेक्ड विथ हीली, इट शोड इट ऑन द टॉप। आई रैन द प्रोग्राम्स। एंड इट्स टू अर्ली टू से कि मैं ठीक हो गई हूँ क्या, ठीक नहीं। अभी 1 महीना ही हुआ है, 15 दिन हुआ है मुझे यूज करते हुए। लेकिन आई हैव अ बिलीव कि मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगी। सो आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट टू एवरीबडी एंड experience it for yourself. If I can do it, you can do it too. So yeah, that's my story.
I love you, I love you, I love you, Babita Jain ji. You took our heart out. I mean, there are so many people out there says that Healy महंगा है, and they can't see the
Yeah.
cost of not buying Healy. The
मेरी
cost.
स्माइल वापस आ गई आप लोगों की वजह से, हीली की वजह से। ग्रेटिट्यूड टू हीली एंड यू ऑल। मैं सारी
Gratitude to.
ट्रेनिंग्स अटेंड करती हूँ, सब कुछ। मतलब मैं देखती
Awesome.
हूँ, अब मैं पागल हो गई हूँ।
Fantastic. Gratitude to Marcus Mike, जिनकी
यस।
grace and blessing ने आपको ढूंढी निकाला और आपको हमारे पास ले आए. So every person's life, I feel there is Marcus energy flowing in. So no person out in the world would be suffering because Healy is out there. Let's bless Babita Jain ji with so much of confidence, the courage what she took in to start this new journey. May she have the strength, may she have the wisdom, the knowledge which she has to gain in and become a role model into this world. May all her desires come through. May her life would overflow with happiness, good health, prosperity, the money flowing in which she needs it to just have multiple goals she can buy and multiply 10 times what she has put down to Healy. Thank you so much for being part of
So be it. Thank you so much. Gratitude.
Okay, so let's have the next angel flowing in. Who is going
Jain.
next?
Meena Jain going next.
मीना जैन जी आइए, माँ बेटी दोनों आज हमारे साथ है. Great, go for it. Our new director, Meena Jain.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for this opportunity. My heartfelt gratitude for Sushila ji who introduced me to in this journey. But frankly speaking, I was manifesting it from 2019. But somehow I think universe guides you, and Sushila ji came into my life, and I bought this device. And plus all my teammates, Leena, you, Sheila, Hemant sir, Lata auntie, all of them helping me day and night for this. So I have testimonies I feel in all areas of my life. Like I'm in this journey from last 1.5 years. I took it as a like 40 days challenge. I had some challenge with my family members who had sleep related challenges, and it helped wonderfully for them. ऐसा था कि जब फर्स्ट डे लगाया, जो रात भर नहीं सोते थे वो रात को सुबह 8 बजे तक सोते ही रहे. So that was the biggest, I would say, कि realize हुआ कि it's working. And then I started working on my emotion because stress चल रहा था, and I was in a post in Jito as a referral head and referral lead also. तो उसमें जो भी प्रेजेंटेशन देना है, थोड़ा कोहेरेंस लगाती थी, स्ट्रेस होता था तो थ्रोट चक्रा लगाती थी. प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए मैं अपना ये प्रॉस्पेरिटी और ये क्या बोलते हैं एक्टिवेशन लगाती थी. इट हेल्प मी अ लॉट. मतलब मेरे मीटिंग्स बहुत बहुत अच्छे होते थे. एंड पीपल यूज्ड टू से कि कुछ कर रही हो क्या, कि योर मीटिंग्स आर गोइंग सो स्मूथली. तो ये एक अपने आप में एक और था. मैनिफेस्टेशन, आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग द ऐप कॉल्ड कोच. उसमें मेरा एक बॉलिंग का बहुत बढ़िया वो है कि आई वाज प्रैक्टिस में आई वाज मेकिंग, मतलब स्कोर मेरा 0 आ रहा था. तो मैं सन लॉ सेड कि मम्मा व्हाई डोंट यू यूज द कोच ऐप. आई पुट कि मेरा 7+ स्कोर एंड 1 स्ट्राइक हो. सो आउट ऑफ 20 बॉल्स आई वाज लाइक आई वुड से कि मेरा स्कोर हर में 7 और 1 स्ट्राइक हुआ. तो मैं एवरीबडी वाज सरप्राइज कि आज रात भर आपने क्या किया कि योर स्कोर इज सो गुड. माय हाउस वाज नॉट गोइंग ऑन रेंट. अगेन आई पुट इट ऑन दिस कोच. जैसा चाहती थी वैसे क्लाइंट्स मिले, जितना चाहती थी उससे 1000 कम में, बट माय हाउस वेंट ऑन रेंट. तो ऐसे भी एक था. फिजिकल हीलिंग, आई वुड से फ्रॉम बॉडी पेन टू हेयर लॉस टू माय ग्रैंडसन हु वाज स्टैमरिंग, उसमें बहुत हेल्प मिला. माय हस्बैंड बिजनेस एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग. सबसे वंडरफुल ये था कि जब मैंने खरीदा तो माय हस्बैंड वाज सेइंग कि मीना का लगता है दिमाग खराब हो गया, शी इज इन्वेस्टिंग सो मच एंड शी इज नॉट आस्किंग मी एंड शी सिंपली बॉट दिस डिवाइस. और मुझे 15 दिन में इतना अच्छा लगा कि आई गेव इट टू माय डॉटर हु स्टेज इन यूके कि नो यू टेक इट बिकॉज आई नो वी कैन टुगेदर बी अ हेल्प टू लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल इन आवर फैमिली. So that was the biggest sharing. But again, I wanted this obsidian model, this thing. So surprisingly, my husband supported me fully for this before I had used my saving, and my husband supported me for this. कि ये एक मेरे लिए सबसे biggest surprise कि because he could see the shift in the energy. I started using prosperity for myself and my husband. So I felt कि husband के business में काफी जहां से पैसे नहीं आ रहे थे या कुछ blockages था, that started clearing. आई स्टार्टेड सडनली फीलिंग कि मेरे लिए चारों ओर से कहीं से अनएक्सपेक्टेड गिफ्ट्स या कैश या कहीं कहीं से वो फ्लो चालू हुआ है. सो आई फील इट क्लियर्स, एक्चुअली क्लियर्स योर प्रॉस्पेरिटी चक्रा बैलेंसिंग होलिस्टिक हेल्थ. आई यूज दिस इन मैगी विच इज हेल्पिंग मी वंडरफुली वंडरफुली आई वुड से. तो ये मेरे को एक बहुत ज्यादा इस चीज के लिए हेल्प मिल रहा था इसमें. तो और जो स्पेशली जो बोलते हैं ना कि ये आपकी इमोशनल जो बैगेजेस होते हैं उससे आपके मैनिफेस्टेशन में ये रुकावटें डालते हैं. तो आई फील कि जो ये रीडिंग करता है, दिस इज वंडरफुली एंड द वे इट हील्स इट्स लाइक आई डोंट नो. ऐसा रीडिंग ऐसे खोद खोद की चीजें बताता है जो मतलब खुद को भी पता होते हैं और कहीं नहीं पता होता है, वो भी बताता है कि रूट कॉज का है. सो आई एम अ लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन मैनिफेस्टेशन कोच ऑल्सो. सो व्हेन आई डू काउंसलिंग, अभी 2-3 बार लास्ट का शेयरिंग है कि आई यूज्ड टू विद देयर परमिशन आई यूज्ड टू टेक द रिकॉर्डिंग एंड देन आई आस्क्ड टू आस्क मी. और ये डिवाइस मुझे पहले ही बता देता कि रूट कॉज कहाँ पे है. एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू आस्क देम. वो पहले नहीं बताते, धीरे धीरे रिसेप्टिव होके बोलते थे हाँ भाभी ये चैलेंज हमारी लाइफ में रहा है. सो दिस हैज वर्कड अगेन. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी डीप सरप्राइज. मतलब बहुत आई एम रियली सरप्राइज्ड एंड अमेज्ड कि हाउ दिस इज वर्किंग. एक और शेयरिंग है कि मेरी फ्रेंड ने किसी ने बताया था कि व्हेन यू आर मेडिटेटिंग ट्राई यूजिंग दिस एंड फील द एनर्जी. Even I have started feeling when I do meditation or I do that mala part, I feel there's a high energy going on in my body. This is how it's helping me. And I would frankly speaking, right now I'm using for my bhabhi, my mom. I'm in my mom's place right now. Padma Saraugi, she was my mom. I feel that there's a lot of shift in the energy. बहुत ज्यादा ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत. और मैं आई मेक श्योर कि whenever I'm moving around, I use energy clearing for myself. If I'm going a new place, घर में भी like I feel कि sometimes it used to happen कि I get some negativity with some people. Now I use this defense program for everyone whenever there's some guest before and after, and it's helping me a lot. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and thank you to Healy and thank you to our community, everyone, each and everyone. और ये मेरा ये भी एक ड्रीम था कि I wanted to become a director, and because of you, all my dream has got manifested. Thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. Lots of testimony still, but I would just because lots of people are waiting, I would say thank you once again. Thank you.
थैंक यू मीना जी, मतलब कमाल कर दिया आपने, पूरी लिस्ट है आपकी. Oh my God, beautiful manifestation, and I've seen your journey and growth. It really, I mean, remarkable. Thank you so much for using Healy so beautifully. All of you guys, let's bless Meena Jain, our new director. May she climb up in the ladder of her career, helping each and every one with her knowledge, with her wisdom, with her Healy experience. She can touch every soul, every life she meets. May she, all her desires comes true. This overflow of joy, love, abundance, prosperity, money to all her loved ones and her family through Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. Thank you.
Next, we have Ritu Mehta.
Ritu ji, go ahead.
Hello everyone, this is Ritu Mehta from Mumbai. I was introduced to Healy by Madhu ma'am. I'm a housewife and a healer by profession. I've been using Healy from past 6 months. There are many miracles happening in my life during the 6 months. I'm truly blessed to have Healy in my life. Thanks to Madhu Agrawal and Garima for guiding me throughout the 6 months. Thanks, Leena, for giving me an opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to Healy. My life has drastically changed. My first testimony. Before Healy came into my life, I was suffering from severe shoulder pain from years and years. I took the stimulation program back to back 3 times in a gap of half an hour, and the pain really vanished in one day. So it was a real miracle in my life. My second success story is I gave learning programs directly to my daughter every day, and there was immense improvement in her results, and her percentage increased from 50% to 70%, and that also without tuition. And my third success story is I had severe joint pain in my knee and hip, and after using Healy stimulation program guided by Madhu Agrawal, I directly used it on the affected area, and the pain really vanished. And now it is cured for about 80%, and further using it, I'm truly blessed. I'm regularly using Aura program and coach for my husband's office, and there is hike inner sales. And there are many more testimonies we'll share soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Rituji. Thank you so much. So beautifully you have explained. You were using stimulation from Pink app or Blue app? Okay, you are muted. It's okay. Fantastic. So beautiful sharing by Rituji. And yeah, Rituji, you are unmuted.
Yeah, from Pink app. I used to use that.
Fantastic. So guys, please use Healy. Either you have a choice of being in suffering, or you have a choice of coming out of the pain from ages what you are going through. So let's bless Rituji to have a beautiful life ahead for her daughter, for everyone, all her loved ones. Every desire what she is carrying may be fulfilled through Healy. Let her life be overflow of joy, abundance, prosperity, money flow, every wish what she desires through Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy.
Thank you, Leena.
Next, we have Preeti Nair.
Okay, guys, I'm not able to take the names of all the angels, the power buddies who are helping them. So a big shout out to all the angels who are helping Sheila Matad, Madhuji, Sushila, Pragya, Aditya ji, everyone who had come here, and you have got your power buddies to help you, Ashwini, Nafis. I have missed it, but because of them, these people are here and sharing their testimonies. Now it's Preeti Nair. Nafis and Ashwini has done the magic. Go ahead, Preeti.
Hi everyone. Thanks. First of all, I would like to thanks Nafis ma'am and Ashwini ma'am, who is guiding me about Healy device and its programs, and also I got to know about Healy program from Nafis ma'am, and I would like to share about my son Pranav. He is a special child. He's having global development delay and seizure disorder. So I have been using Healy from past 6 months and also Mag Healy both. The thing is now, I'm just observing him from past 6 months. I can see a lot of improvements in him, his speech. He is vocalizing more. Then he's having seizure disorder. So I'm running programs back to back during that. Sometimes when he is in stress, like some sort of a stress, when he listens to loud sounds and all, he gets seizure starts triggering during the night time, during the sleep. So at that time, I am using this deep relaxation back to back, and then nerve harmony. You with the pink app I'm using. So he's getting a lot of relaxation, and the next day, usually during before, it was like he used to be very tired after the seizures, like after, because his sleep is getting disturbed and all. Now, with this help of Healy, I'm running back to back deep relaxation, then nerve harmony, and then sleep programs. Now I can see next day is very active. He sleeps, and then even if the sleep is little disturbed also, he is next day very active. He doesn't look drowsy or sleepy or something like that. And also his even his body posture is getting improved. So I can see a lot of improvements in him, and he is now more happy. He's not like a child who looks like he's having some disease or like some sort of issue. So he's more happier now, and now he's going to he got selected in he got admission in online schooling, like on Birla Brainiacs International School. So there is inclusive learning in that. He is taking a regular curriculum. That is very have great news for me. And about me, I'm using Mag Healy and also a Healy program. Then I use gold programs, then relaxation, deep relaxation program. Even for Pranav, I do keep this aura analysis every week. For myself also, I do. I'm using it for my parents also, and they get a lot of energy. They say, yes, we are getting a lot of energy. And for me now, I use Mag Healy, and I started a small online artificial jewelry business. So I used to run this prosperity program on Mag Healy, and then I found like the next day I ran the same day the program. The next day I found so many orders coming in. So I was so happy that it's working a lot for me, and my business is going very well now. So that is a success story of mine. So that's it. Thank you, Healy. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Preeti, for coming here and sharing your heart
Thank
out.
you,
So
ma'am.
beautiful to hear. And our new senior director, Nafis, kudos to you for the magic you have created in so many people's lives, especially in Preeti's life. So let's bless Preeti to have a beautiful life, especially your little one. Have the more and more of radiant health, the divine protection, boundless joy. He might be filled with so much of grace, wisdom, and knowledge that he could be a light into this world. May all your desires be fulfilled through Healy, overflow of joy, love, abundance, money flow in your life. Thank you so much for being part of
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Next, we have Neeraj Dikshit.
We have
Uh,
mom testimony.
We have Nafis here.
Yeah, Nafi's mom sharing the testimony.
Ah, okay. So Nafis, you have to come out of that virtual background. We can't see both of you.
Yeah. I'm just taking it out. I think blurred. Like.
Yeah.
So yes, good evening all. I am Nafis from Hyderabad, and I am so glad. I'm very happy. Actually, my mom, it is something like a miracle for me. It's a blessing that my mom has come and she's giving the testimony because she didn't understand Healy at all since day one. But she giving a testimony is a huge blessing for me. So yes, introducing my mom. Her name is Khurshid Yunus. We are from Hyderabad. She would like to share her feedback about Healy. Thank you so much.
गुड इवनिंग, मैं खुर्शीद यूनिस, मैं नफीस की मदर हूँ। मेरा हीली का एक एक्सपीरियंस मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। मेरा बीपी बहुत हाई रहता था, कभी कभी बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता था। तो नफीस से मैंने कहा था कि मुझे हीली के बारे में कुछ समझाओ, कुछ बताओ। तो उसने अपना बहुत कुछ मुझे मतलब हीली के लिए बताया। उसके बाद जो मैंने यूज किया तो मुझे मेरा बीपी अभी बिल्कुल नॉर्मल रहता है और मुझे रात में नींद भी नहीं लगती थी। तो अब ऐसा हीली यूज करने के वजह से मुझे नींद भी बहुत अच्छी आ रही है। मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ ये हीली को लेकर। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Actually, yes, because we lost our dad last year. So I was using back flowers for her continuously. Aura analysis I was using. So it was really very helpful for my mother. Now she's stable. We were so much in threat actually because of her getting into that emotional trauma. Because of the dad, they had 50 years of companionship. You can understand. She was 14 years when she got married. So she was not able to come out of that thing, and Healy has helped. Rather, Healy had played a major role over there. So thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Nafis. Thank you so much for bringing your mom in. So आपने बहुत अच्छा शेयरिंग किया और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा जब आप आके अपना बिल्कुल हार्ट आउट करके और हीली को यूज करते रहिए। हीली और भी चमत्कार आपकी जिंदगी पे लाएगा। Let's bless Nafis and her mom to have a beautiful, miraculous life with Healy. This coming year would be filled with so much of good health, more and more joy, overflow of abundance, the money flowing in, the wealth flowing in, every desire of both of them be fulfilled through Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nafis. Okay, who is going next?
Neeraj ji. Neeraj Singh.
Neeraj ji, excited to hear you.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Hi, good evening. Hope you are able to hear me.
Yes. Loud.
Okay. So I'm Neeraj Dikshit. I'm from Chennai. I'm residing in Chennai since last 20 years, but I'm basically from Bihar, and I have set up a timer so that I don't take up more than 30 minutes, because 30 minutes will also now will be less to say to tell the benefits of Healy. I'm just kidding. I'll not take that much time. But yeah, that's true. Let me start on a negative note. So I got to know about Healy last June 2025, when Mona Lisa ji got it, and when I got to know about it, my first feeling was that somebody made bakra of her. And but then, like, she used it on herself, her son, her husband, and her 95-year-old dad. She also used it on my wife as well. And remarkable that benefits, improvements that I saw in their life was, and thanks to Mona Lisa ji and Kadambari ji for uh, being behind me, making me understand it and all. I finally ended up buying it in the month of February. So I delayed it by 8 months. For that, I regret a lot. And main regret is because my daughter is 17-year-old, and she just appeared for her +2. And obviously, when kids are in their +2, they have like a lot of tensions and all those negative thoughts and all that. Even though we never kept any pressure on her, but they get pressurized. But for Feb first week we started, and that was Feb and March was her exam. Within those 2 months, all those all Hilly programs and whatever came, we ran. Apart from that, creative homeopathy and batch flower, whatever Kadambari ji and Mona Lisa ji suggested, we ran on her. I mean, she completely changed, and her JEE session two results came, which was like much better than our expectations. She did really good in that. Maybe next month after her plus two result, I will definitely tell you how she did it in plus two. So that I'll definitely be regretting myself for not getting it last year itself. So that this delay I'll definitely regret. On other things like on myself, we are using it using the protocol. We use first 7 day that gold cycle itself like shows a lot of improvement, energy, and then all the fatigues and everything was gone. And I think my wife had severe gastric issue. It's all gone. She's not taking any medicines, and so we are running that. Apart from that, there is like this. Immediate thing like instant relief. Like I'm having uric acid since long, maybe 20 years or so, and so sometimes it attacks, and I get severe pain in my foot and all, unable to walk, and that happened around 15th of March, and Mona Lisa ji she suggested to run local stimulation, and after that 4 hours from Blue app. Next day, I mean, it was all gone within 30 minutes itself. It gave a lot of relief, and after that, next day it was all gone. It's more than a month. I'm not taking any medicine for that uric acid, and it has not come back again. For same for my wife, her headaches and all that, and my kids approach and everything has changed a lot. Next, I want to talk about this MagHilly. MagHilly, I mean, it works like magic. I mean, if you are stressed, you just run it for that 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, you will feel very relaxed. It's the relaxation program, relationship. I mean, a wife and husband, always there will be a fight and all. And whenever there is a fight, always wife is at wrong. Sorry, my bad. Husband is at wrong. That's always the case. This realization I got because of Healy, MagHilly. Moment you run it, all those things will be sorted out, and everything will be all okay within few minutes. I mean, it doesn't even take 30 minutes. I would say. Apart from that, one last thing I want to talk about this MagHilly is Khanabari once told me in the month of February that hey, you use the prosperity program and keep it in your northeast, and then you run your coach as well. So the prosperity, how come one device will bring money? You won't believe in 2020, I mean, since that's the reason I told that I'm from Bihar. And in 2020, when lockdown happened, I drove from here to my native in Bihar, and there were like few works that had to be done. So I ended up spending around 20 lakh over there, and some other like a stakeholder had to pay me 5 lakh back. No, they didn't. They never paid. I never asked also because I never thought that they will pay. Suddenly, I got a call, and within a month, and they returned the money. I was like amazed. I mean, how this can happen? So this is really, I mean, just use all the protocol the way you are using it. It really works very, very well. And to anybody who is here and has not purchased it yet, I'm not going to get monetary benefit out of it or anything, but you will definitely get a lot of benefit. Your life will completely change. Your family's life will completely change. I actually made a big mistake by not having my mom beside me today because I'm trying to convince her to take this, and she's like, no way, I'll take it. But I'll get this recording, and Nafis's mom's review, I will just show to her so that she start. And to end, I'm also going to buy another device, because the one device for 3% or 4% is not enough, because it takes around 10 hours. So it is slightly tough to manage. Maybe within a day or two, I'm going to order it, and because now some offer is also going on, so I'll definitely I'll get a high wave and one device very soon, maybe tomorrow. So thank you, Kandambari ji, thank you, Mona Lisa ji, and thank you, Pragya ji, also for helping me choosing Obsidian at that time. So thanks a lot, and thanks everybody there. Thanks the Healy family.
Thank you, Neeraj ji. Maza aa gaya. Oh my God. I mean, we should have a special 30-minute session for you for sure. I mean, so good testimonies. Oh my God. I mean, that's where people has to realize that how important Healy has to reach your house. For every member, Healy works like a genie. Healy works like a magician at your house. Let's bless Neeraj ji for having a beautiful life ahead. All his desires, which he's looking at to manifest through Healy, may he see that overflow of things coming up. May it be joy, peace, abundance, money, overflow. Let he be literally magic seeing every second of his life. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. A big kudos to Mona Lisa and Kadambari ji and Pragya for creating the magic around. Thank you for what you do, all the angels. Thank you. Okay.
Next we have Gayatri Gade.
Gayatri ji, go ahead. Gayatri. Excited to
हेलो
hear you. Go
हेलो
ahead.
एवरीवन। मैं गायत्री हूँ, पुणे से हूँ, और मेरा बहुत ही अच्छा 3 महीने का जर्नी है जो मैं आपको दिल से शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। और पहले ही सबको धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ, पूरी कम्युनिटी को, लीना मैम, प्रीति मैम, विकास सर, आलोक सर, दीपा मैम। मतलब मेरी लाइफ टोटली चेंज हुई है। मैं इतना सीवियर एसिडिटी सफर कर रही थी लास्ट 2 ईयर से। मैंने फर्स्ट एलोपैथी स्टार्ट किया, फिर भी इफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था। मैंने इंडोस्कोपी करवाया तो वहां पे कुछ इन्फेक्शन बताया। लाइक डेली मेडिसिन बढ़ा रहे थे। अगर मेडिसिन बंद करूं तो 3-4 दिन में अगेन एसिडिटी। तो हर रोज टैबलेट्स लेकर मुझे बहुत ही बीमार होने का फीलिंग आ रहा था इतनी अर्ली एज में। तो मैंने होम्योपैथी के ऊपर ट्रस्ट किया कि चलो एलोपैथी का साइड इफेक्ट से बेहतर है होम्योपैथी में जाए। तो होम्योपैथी वालों ने जब मेरा इंडोस्कोपी का रिपोर्ट देखा तो वहां पे तो मुझे चौंका ही दिया। वो दे कह रहे कि आपको यू आर 3rd स्टेज ऑफ स्टमक कैंसर, और अगर आपने यहाँ पे ये रिकवर नहीं हुआ तो आपको ये कैंसर का ही लगता है हमें। तो आपको तो सिर्फ लिक्विड ही लेना चाहिए, खाना तो कुछ खाना ही नहीं चाहिए। तो मतलब मैं तो और ही टेंशन में आई थी कि अभी खाना ही खाना नहीं है, लिक्विड, और 2 बच्चे, मेरे मदर इन लॉ, फादर इन लॉ जो किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट ऑपरेशन, मैं खुद जॉब करती थी। फिर भी मैंने 10-12 दिन लिक्विड पर ही रही कि चलो अगर कुछ अच्छा हुआ, कैंसर से अच्छा है। तो वहां पे भी मुझे कुछ रिकवरी नहीं। घर वालों ने बोल दिया कि अरे तू वैसे ही मतलब पूरी वीक होती जा रही है। तो मैंने होम्योपैथी छोड़ा, फिर आयुर्वेदिक के पास चली गई। तो आयुर्वेदिक का भी वो सिलसिला था कि जो लास्ट 1.5 ईयर में ले रही थी, वहां पे भी वही सेम इशू था। पंचकर्मा ये सब किया, बट उसके बाद भी जब भी मेडिसिन बंद होते थे मुझे एसिडिटी होती ही थी। और दिन ब दिन बच्चों की बीमारी, मेरी बीमारी पूरी तरह में ऐसे पागलों के जैसी हुई थी। बट उसके बाद एक मेडिटेशन सेंटर में मैं डॉक्टर आलोक सर से मिली। तो दैट वाज लाइक मैनिफेस्टेशन आल्सो फॉर मी। एंड उसके बाद मैंने उस डिवाइस पर भरोसा करना, जैसे मेरे लिए तो नहीं था पहले, बट मैं सब कर भी चुकी थी। मुझे तो बाहर इलाज भी नहीं मिल रहा था, तो मैंने एक और ट्राई देने के लिए सोचा। तो और ट्राई करने के पहले दिन से ही मैंने पूरे मेडिसिन बंद कर दिया कि जो होना है देखेंगे। और इतना मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ कि आज तक मुझे एक दिन में भी एसिडिटी नहीं हुई, नॉट अ सिंगल डे फ्रॉम द जनवरी स्टिल द डे। एंड मैंने इतना मतलब अगर 2-3 साल पहले आता था मेरी जिंदगी बहुत अच्छी होती थी। और मैं एक हीली यूजर ही नहीं, अभी इनके कम्युनिटी का मेंबर भी हूँ। तो इतना प्राउड फील कर रही हूँ कि मैंने लाखों खर्च किए हैं कि सीखने के लिए स्किल्स, बट वहां से मैं एक भी स्किल नहीं सीख पाई। और यहाँ से मेरी पूरी पर्सनालिटी ग्रो हो रही है। तो मैं सभी लोगों को कहना चाहूंगी कि जो हीली लेते वक्त लॉजिक लगा रहे हैं कि कैसे है क्या है, तो दिल से कहना चाहती हूँ लॉजिक मत लगाओ, ये एक्सपीरियंस की चीज है। यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस ही आपको बता देगा, कोई लॉजिक समझा नहीं सकता। तो प्लीज यू एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट, यू विल लव इट। और मेरे जो बच्चे हैं, से हेलो हेलो, कि वो भी अभी सिर्फ हीली का ही ट्रीटमेंट लेते हैं। मैं उनको एक 6 महीने से किसी को भी हम लोग हॉस्पिटल का स्टेप्स ही नहीं गए हैं, हॉस्पिटल में जा नहीं रहे हैं। बाय गॉड ग्रेस में ऐसी ही जिंदगी जीना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Fantastic. Oh my God. It was such a fantastic sharing, गायत्री जी, मजा आ गया सुनकर। और इतना मतलब लोग इतना सफर करते हैं, इतनी ज्यादा सफरिंग में घूम रहे हैं, लेकिन उनको पता नहीं है हीली उनकी हर तकलीफ को बाहर निकाल देगा। बस एक बार यूज कर लीजिए। जैसे गायत्री जी ने बोला कि हम इतना लॉजिकल दिमाग लगाते हैं समझने के लिए, ये एक एक्सपीरियंस की चीज है। और सच ब्यूटिफुली शी टोल्ड। Dr. Alok and Dr. Deepa from Pune, our recent latest director. I mean, the magic you are creating in people's life. Kudos to you. Keep doing the work what you're doing and helping people. Let's bless Gayatri to have a beautiful life ahead, especially her kids, her family, her in-laws, every loved one of her life could actually witness the magic of Healy in their life. May there be overflow of joy, love, abundance, peace, money flowing in, a vibrant health to each and every member. Let's flow in through Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. Thank you, Gayatri, for coming and sharing.
Next, we have Lalit.
Lalit ji. Go ahead, Lalit ji.
बॅक कसं काय झालं?
हम सुन पा रहे हैं आपको।
ललित जी बोलिए। हेलो
हेलो
आप बोलिए ललित जी।
हेलो मैम, माय वीडियो इज विजिबल?
हाँ हाँ, पूरा अच्छे से हम देख सकते हैं आपको।
Oh, actually I can't see any one of you.
कोई बात नहीं, हम आपको देख पा रहे हैं,
It's
सुन
okay.
पा रहे हैं, आप बोलिए।
No problem, no problem. Hello everyone. First of all, I'm thankful to Healy team and those who have guided me, Mr. Alok sir and Deepa ma'am, also Sakesh sir. They are guiding me how to use Healy daily. And also I'm thankful to Marcus sir for this amazing invention. Uh, यहाँ पर जो हीली जो मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ, मैंने मेरे फादर के लिए यूज कर रहा हूँ। अभी हीली यूज करते हुए मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 20 to 25 डेज हुए हैं। मेरे फादर को 18 फरवरी को किडनी डिसफंक्शन के बारे में पता चला और डॉक्टर सेड कि आपको डायलिसिस शुरू करना पड़ेगा। बट उसके ही जैसे ही डायलिसिस शुरू किया, विद इन 3 to 5 डेज साकेत जी हैज इंट्रोड्यूस अस माय फैमिली विद द हीली. We analyzed with the Alok sir, and the result that Healy showed, I'm so much surprised. मैं शॉक हो गया कि आलोक जी पुणे में बैठे हैं, मैं अमरावती में बैठा हूँ, और हीली डिवाइस इतनी सटीक तरीके से कैसे किसी पर्सन के बॉडी को एनालाइज कर सकता है। हमने 2 दिन में डिसीजन लिया, हीली परचेस किया, और अभी हीली को यूज करते हुए, प्रोग्राम्स लेते हुए मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 20 to 25 डेज हो चुके हैं। और रिसेंटली जब 2 अप्रैल को मैंने जो टेस्ट किए मेरे फादर के किडनी के बारे में, और 21 अप्रैल को अभी जो टेस्ट किए, उनमें काफी ड्रास्टिक चेंज मुझे दिख रहे हैं। विद इन 2 मिनट्स आई विल शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंस। रिपोर्ट्स में क्या क्या आया, जो ब्लड यूरिया नाइट्रोजन था, 2 अप्रैल को जो मैंने टेस्ट किया तो 64.02 mg/dl था। एंड अब 21 तारीख को जब मैंने रिपोर्ट्स किए तब वो 50.67 mg/dl। क्रिएटिन लेवल जो था 2 तारीख को जब रिपोर्ट किए उसमें 11.9, और जब 21 तारीख को मैंने जब रिपोर्ट्स किए, वापस से टेस्ट किए, तो उसमें 8.48 mg/dl क्रिएटिन का लेवल आया है। उसके बाद सोडियम 145 था 2 तारीख को, और सोडियम अभी है 143। और पोटेशियम भी जब 2 तारीख को रिपोर्ट्स किए तो 5.90 mg/dl था, एंड राइट नाउ पोटेशियम इज 4.28। सो दिस इज द result after 20 and 25 days using Healy device. So I am so much happy and grateful while using the Healy. Thank you so much.
ब्यूटीफुल शेयरिंग। और इतने अच्छे से आपने सारे रेट बता दिए हमको, मेजरमेंट्स, और बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि हीली से इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आया है। ओ माय
Yes, ma'am.
गॉड, वंडरफुल, दैट इज सो गुड। आई मीन हम क्या सोच रहे हैं, आई डोंट नो। ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस हु आर हियरिंग दिस टेस्टिमनी, मेक श्योर यू यूज इट, मेक श्योर यू कम आउट ऑफ द पेन। आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स को पेन में मत रहने दीजिए, वो बाहर आ सकते हैं, सोल्यूशन है अवेलेबल। और हमको आज ये दिख रहा है, आज ये ललित जी के घर में हो सकता है तो हम सबके घर में हो सकता है। अगर ललित जी इसको एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं, हम सारे लोग एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं। हमारे घर में भी यही मैजिक, यही गुड हेल्थ, यही चीज आप एक्सपीरियंस करोगे हीली देखकर। थैंक यू सो मच साकेत जी फॉर ब्रिंगिंग मैजिक टू ललित जी। साकेत जी अगर आप इधर हैं तो जो काम कर रहे हैं आप करते रहिए, लोगों के घर में खुशहाली लाते रहिए। अ बिग kudos to Dr. Alok and Dr. Deepa once again. Let's bless Lalit ji to have a beautiful life ahead. May he have an overflow of a vibrant health to all his loved ones, more and more joy, more and more love, more and more abundance flowing in through healing. Thank you so much for
Thank you
being
so
part
much.
of it.
Next, we have Karim.
Kareem. Hi Kareem, where are you?
Okay, that's Karim Manisa. She is
Yeah.
waving her hand. Please unmute her. She's on video.
Hello, Leena ji.
Hello, go ahead, dear.
Yeah, hello, Leena ji. Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Angels and this frequency devices मुझे समझाने के लिए, and I'd like to thank Meenas for introducing me Hilo into my life, and Preeti and Leena ji and Marcus, everyone. Thank you so much. And I have beautiful experience with the Healy. When I brought this right after my parents got so sick, and उसके बाद में मैंने Healy यूज किया, उनको वो रिजल्ट तो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. And now I would like to share about the Meg Healy. We have a commercial building हमारे गांव में, वो वहाँ पे second floor was not at all filled from 2020 उस टाइम से. Then I went to home after I bought Healy. मैं वहाँ पे चलाना शुरू की थी, एनर्जी क्लियर किया, बायोएनर्जेटिक डिफेंस यूज किया, एंड देन कोहेरेंस. आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर सम मंथ्स इट गॉट फिल्ड, एंड रिसेंटली इट रेंटल पे आ गए, एंड इट्स वर्किंग सो ब्यूटिफुल. And there are so many things like this in my life happened with the help of Healy, and I'm really thankful and grateful to each and everyone here. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Kareem, for coming and sharing your heart out. Such beautiful testimonies. Keep using Healy, and energy clearing, coherence, prosperity, bioenergetic defense is some of the most key programs I feel everyone should be using every day. मैक हीली अगर चल नहीं रहा है तो अभी ऑन करिए. एनर्जी क्लियरिंग, कोहेरेंस, प्रॉस्पेरिटी, कुछ ना कुछ तो चलना ही चाहिए. 24 hours मैक हीली should be working in your house. So thank
Yeah.
you so much, Kareem, for coming and
Thank you,
sharing.
thank you.
And
Maggie done so much beautiful thing in my life that I kept my own stall. मैंने अपने खुद की stall because of the prosperity चलाने की वजह से the crystal stall also it's working very much beautiful. Thank you so
क्या
much.
बात
Thank
है.
you.
Wonderful, wonderful, awesome. So a big kudos to Meenas and Preeti for the magical work you have done in Kareem's life.
Yeah.
Let's bless Kareem for having most exciting and magical journey with Healy ahead. May all our desires will be fulfilled through Healy and overflow of love, abundance, peace, wealth, health flowing in through Healy. Thank you for being part
Thank you.
of it.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Pragya darling, who is going next?
Neetal Prajapati ji.
Neetal ji, किधर हैं आप? Neetal ji, yes.
Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Thank you, Leena ji, for letting me in and giving me this opportunity to share my experiences with Healy. So, initially, I shared my experiences only up to the use of gold cycle. So, I was relieved after from the pain on the very first day after the third program of Pure from the leg pain which I was suffering from 2018. So then many things happen, but what make me come here again is since in March I went to a vacation and since then I was little bit lazy in using Healy. So I dropped using Healy and somehow I started feeling pain in my buttock and uh, down to my thighs. So initially I thought that it is because of the place change and the sleeping mattress change it is happening. So I ignored. And then suddenly it became so harsh that I was not able to even change the side in the bed while I was sleeping, or I was not able to wake up or sit at my own in the bed. So then I suddenly called physiotherapist at my home. She came and she examined me and she said that, ma'am, you need minimum 15 to 20 days of physiotherapy sessions. And whatever exercises I am teaching you, you should practice them at least twice a day without me. So thrice a day, one time with me and 2 times at your own. So I said, okay. And then I asked, what you call this situation in your term? And she said, this is radical pain. So I remember that word, and once he left my house, what I did is I checked the schedule in the White app and I found 16 programs listed for radical pain, and I took 3 of them on the first day. The second day she came to my home and she says, have you done exercise? How many times you are 70-80% improved than yesterday? So I said, I haven't done exercise a single time. It is the done with you is done. I haven't done anything else, but I have used Healy. And second day I took, third day I took, and the third day she came and she said, Madam, I think you do not need any more physiotherapy sessions. So I said, okay, but let me complete the round figure. So you come for 5 days and then we stop. So that is my experience with Healy. And even though I am not using it regularly, I want to say that now I will be using it regularly. And now I have realized the, what you say, percussions of not using Healy. So I will be using it regularly. Second thing is my husband is working in, he is a chemical engineer and he is working in big plants with very high temperature and things. So he used to be, means wear those suits and safety shoes, and so he always have itching in his leg, and the moment he takes out socks, that stings very badly. So without telling him, I started giving Skin Harmony program from Mag Hilly to charge his water bottle which he took to office. So after 4 5 days, he said, now I am not feeling the itching, and the stink has also gone. So I said because I was not telling him, because he was not believing Healy initial stage. And everything which I was saying, he says that this is placebo, even though they have placebo. And I used to argue that they have placebo certificates, and he said whatever it is all placebo. So then I told him that the placebo is working, even though you do not know. I am giving you skin harmony since 5 days, and you yourself is saying that it is working, and my skin is itching is gone. So now tell me, I shall do it or I shall not stop it. And now every day when he goes to bath, he says, "Mera pani charge kar dena." So this is all I want to share for now. But I am sure that I will be sharing many more things in future. Thank you. Thank you, Umaji, for introducing Healy to my life. Thank you, Mayankji, for helping me. Every time I ask him, sir, ये problem है, which program I should take, and he immediately replies. So thank you, Umaji and Mayankji, and every other leader over here. I don't know many names, but I thank you all of them, including Rajendra ji, I think, Vikas ji, Pragyan ji, Lina ma'am, Ashwini ma'am, and special thanks to Sheila madam. I came to Chennai for the first time without knowing anybody, only Uma, and I shared room with Sheila madam, and that was a nice experience. I was a new person, nothing, no one was with me, and I was like, Sheila madam, she is executive director, and she is something, and I was so, but she made me stay so comfortably with her. So thank you, Sheila ji, also. Thank you all.
Awesome, Nital ji. I didn't wanted to stop you for your gratitude. क्योंकि जहां पे ग्रेटिट्यूड है ना, भगवान आपको और देगा और देगा. तो ये नंबर 1 रूल है मैनिफेस्टेशन का. इट्स लाइक द मोर यू गिव ग्रेटिट्यूड, द मोर
I
यू
have
गिव.
started writing gratitude journal. I knew this since 2023, but
Fantastic.
writing gratitude journal became my habit after Healy came to my life.
Fantastic. Awesome. With all the grace of Marcus, we are all changing, and the more and more gratitude to Umaji and which team? Mayank ji.
Mayank ji.
Okay, fantastic. All are role model. So Mayank ji, thank you for what you do and creating the magic in everyone's life. Let's bless Nital ji for having a beautiful, exciting, magical, the most beautiful life ahead in Healy, having loads of joy, loads of abundance, loads of money, loads of vibrant health flowing in, and loads of travel coming in through Healy.
Yes.
Have the best of the best days,
Kazakhstan.
Nital ji. Kazakhstan. More and more travel, sweetheart. Always. Fantastic. Harshita, go ahead. हमारे पास आरती भी अभी दिख रही है. Okay, we have Aarti also, Pragya.
Yeah, we will take Harshita now. Last art.
Go ahead, Harshita.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, dear. Continue.
I think there is a
Where is
technical-
Harshita? Yes. Go ahead, dear. आप बोलिए.
अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
Harshita, are you able to unmute yourself, dear? आपको unmute करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
हाँ.
Hello, ma'am. I am Harshita from Jodhpur. I am physiotherapist by profession. मेरे फादर को पार्किंसन डिजीज है, जिसमें वॉइस अनक्लियर होती है, वॉइस धीरे हो जाती है, एंड बॉडी में इम्बैलेंस होता है, और अपने आप को काफी लो फील कर रहे थे. हमने सारे ट्रीटमेंट्स यूज किए, होम्योपैथी, एलोपैथी, आयुर्वेदिक, सब हमने यूज किए, पर ऐसा चेंज कुछ हमने नजर नहीं आया. पिछले 3-4 साल से हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे थे कि कुछ चेंज नजर आए, पर हमें कुछ फायदा नहीं हो पाया था. हम सोच रहे थे कि अब क्या करना चाहिए नेक्स्ट पे. फिर एक दिन हमारे डॉक्टर सीमा से बात हुई. उन्होंने हमें हीली के बारे में बताया, हीली की डिवाइस के बारे में समझाया, उसके प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में बताया कि कैसे प्रोग्राम्स को यूज करना है, कब कब लेने हैं, कौन से प्रोग्राम्स लेने हैं, उन्होंने हमको हीली प्रोग्राम्स, ऑल हीली प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में बताया, बैच फ्लावर्स के बारे में, कोज एनालिसिस यूज करो आप अपने फादर पे, बैच फ्लावर्स यूज करो, ऑरा एनालिसिस यूज करो। मैम ने जैसे जैसे बताया हमने वैसे वैसे 2 मंथ्स हो गए, हमने सारे प्रोग्राम्स वैसे वैसे जैसे यूज किए और हमें आज 2 मंथ्स कंप्लीट होने को आए, हमें काफी चेंजेस नजर आ रहे हैं मेरे फादर में। वो अब काफी पॉजिटिव रहने लगे हैं, उनके वॉइस में भी चेंज नजर आ रहा है, वॉइस क्लियर होने लगी है, वॉइस थोड़ी लाउड होने लगी है एज कम्पेयर टू, अगर हम पहले से कंपेयर करें तो। और अपने आप को काफी पॉजिटिव फील करते हैं, वो बोलते हैं मुझे काफी बेटर फील हो रहा है पहले से। पहले वो लो फील करते थे, अभी उनमें काफी अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस आया है और अपने आप को काफी अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं। सो थैंक्स टू डॉक्टर सीमा मैम, उन्होंने हमको हीले के बारे में बताया। आज उन्हीं की वजह से हमारी लाइफ में इतने चेंजेस आए और उनके लव सपोर्ट और सब कुछ के लिए थैंक्स टू डॉक्टर सीमा मैम कि आपकी वजह से ये सब पॉसिबल हो पाया। और मैं सबको यही बताना चाहती हूँ, आप जरूर हीली प्रोग्राम यूज करें, आपकी लाइफ में भी पक्का चेंजेस नजर आएंगे। थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू हर्षिता फॉर कमिंग एंड शेयरिंग। आई फील ये बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत सारे लोग पार्किंसन में यूज कर रहे हैं अभी हीली, प्लीज यूज करिए। कितने चेंजेस जो हर्षिता के डैड ने देखा है आपको भी दिखेगा। सो इट्स सो गुड टू हर्षिता फॉर कमिंग हियर एंड शेयरिंग योर हार्ट आउट। अ बिग kudos to Dr. Seema for the work what you are doing and helping Harshita and her dad to recover. Let's bless Harshita and her entire family with her dad and all her loved ones to see more and more miracles in their life. May they have a vibrant health, more faster recovery of the health issues, and every day would be created with more and more magic and miracles in their life. More of joy, more of peace, more of abundance flowing in through healing. Thank you so much for being part of healing. Aarti Mohapatra, go ahead, dear. I feel this is the last one for today.
Hello, can you all see me? Hi.
Not yet.
Hi.
Can we put her in spotlight, Aarti?
Yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
Hi everyone, this is Aarti here. Namaste. I've been using Healy for last 10 days. I'm very new to the team, and this was introduced to me by my sister Anjana Jain and Dr. Seema. And we have a team helping us, Dr. Seema, Dr. Nafiz, Anjana, they all are regularly helping my husband and myself. So I have seen a lot of changes in my husband's side, I would say, because we are very new to the using Healy. But yeah, I can see that he is very positive and he's energetic now. Okay, and last 7-8 days I have been using it. I also feel very positive, energetic because we work very hectic. We are based in Dubai, so you guys must be knowing that we are going through a lot of stress with the war thing and all. But yes, now after the Healy has been introduced, I think we are not thinking much about war, and life is all about we always used to work hard from morning 8 till evening 8, but then now I think we are feeling very positive, very energetic. And what I'm hearing from the team, I hope that this continues. And I have seen changes with my sister also, from where I was inspired, and my husband also was inspired. And then she has been benefited a lot, and mentally and physically both. So I think she must have already shared. Her name is Anjana Jain. So, but if I talk about myself and my husband, then we are very new to the Healy family, but we have great hopes that this should really work for us well. And within this 7-10 days experience, I can say that we've been positive, happy, and energetic. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Aarti ji, and keep using Healy the way you are using it, and take the guidance of Anjana ji, Dr. Seema, Ashwini, and I'm pretty sure the more and more magic and miracles coming in your life. And stay safe in Dubai. I'm pretty sure you're divinely protected. Healy has come in your house. It's the complete protection is there, and all the grace and blessings flowing to you. Let's bless Aarti ji for having a beautiful life, always divinely protected, having a vibrant health, and everything what she desires in her life may fulfill through Healy. May she experience more and more exciting days ahead, more of joy, more of love, more of abundance, more of wealth flowing in. Thank you for being part of Healy. Thank you so much. Is there any big kudos to Anjana and Dr. Seema for the work what you are doing? Okay, so do we have anybody else? I feel we are done. Thank you so much for all the angels who have come in today and shared your heart out. A heartful thanks for each and every one for coming. 7 days, we actually give 14 days as a trial period. And if you have seen here, there are people coming in the initial 1 week, in the initial 7 days also, where we actually say that you can return it, but here people are coming and sharing their testimony. So can you just imagine how much people fall in love? Initial 7 days, we do a detox of the complete body. That 7 days is good enough time for you to experience the grace flowing in of Marcus into your life. I always say there is a special protection. I mean, your soul has come in. You are not an ordinary soul if you have Healy in your hand. You are an extraordinary soul, which right now you are ready for a bigger life, a life for your highest good. You will always be protected. It is just that universe is telling you that I'm ready to give you. I am ready to protect you. I am ready to give you good health. I am ready to give you good relationship. I am ready to give you more and more prosperity and abundance. Take it. Receive it. I mean, don't apply that logical mind. Receive it. There is so much on the other side which is there for you once you experience Healy. Let Healy come in your life. Connect with the person who has invited you here. If you're watching this in the recording, make sure you experience that 14 days. या 14 years नहीं पूछा, 14 days पूछा है. Give yourself that 14 days of excitement, of magic, of miracles. You will revert back and say thank you to the angel who invited you. So give that time to you. There is a beautiful life on the other side, and universe wants to bless you. Universe wants to show you for all the hard work what you have given. Now enjoy the fruits. So all of you guys, I would request our top leader. Because of him, everything works for us. He's the foundation and the pillar of the We Champions community, the training system, what is being conducted here. It is not just the training of the product what we give, but we make you your personality all together, giving a higher purpose, a higher connect, so that you can be a light which shines out into the world. Let's welcome none other than our role model, the India's top leader, Vikas Kishore Singh, if he's here.
Yeah, thank you so much, Leena ji. It was an amazing session. Thank you. My camera quality would not be good. I'm somewhere out in a remote place today, but made out time to enjoy this session. I don't know how much people get inspired by these testimony, but every month I wait for this day because it gives me enough fuel and fire to go ahead and talk about Healy to more and more people. The testimonies which we had, whether it was kidney related or uric acid or blood pressure of Nafis ji's mom, or the abundance testimony where the property was not getting sold from last 6 years or not getting on rent from last 6 years, and just by using 3 programs of Mag Healy, it went out on rent. Just imagine what we have in our hand, and just imagine how many people around us need this product. I think every household needs Healy. Whether somebody can afford a gold edition or a resonance edition, resonance plus. In India, mostly people buy obsidian and obsidian combo, and that is how we do it here because people understand it, people take it, and people understand the 14-day look-in period which we have, and that makes our job easy. And thanks to the leadership which we have, whether it is of course our Senior Vice President Leena ji, or Vice President Ashwini, CBOK ji, Rajendra, Mayank ji, Preeti ji, Sheila ma'am, Sheila ji, Sheila Madhan ji, and Pragya ji, of course, Pragya ji's team, and every person, Aditya ji, all of us putting so much of effort, energy, and now we are growing globally. We as a team is growing globally. We had people joining us today from Dubai, UAE, almost 20 plus people were joining us. 25 plus people were joining us from UAE. 20 plus people were joining us from Malaysia. They had to leave early because of the time zone difference. But yes, there are still some people here watching us from different countries. And the reason is that we are growing globally. And the reason why we are growing globally is the wonderful product and the wonderful leadership we have in the system. So thank you so much, Leena ji, for this hosting this session so wonderfully. We hope to see you in the next session. All of you, let's work hard and get some more testimonies and let's change people's life. It is not just about the money we make, it is about the impact we create. And every single penny we make after the impact we create is a blessing in our life. And I enjoy that every single penny that I make, because I know that every single penny is coming to me because somebody's life got impacted in a positive way. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Over to you, Leena ji.
Thank you, Vikas ji, for always inspiring us with your words and actions. All of you guys, if you are here and you don't have Healy in your hand, you're wondering what is it, make sure you have it right after this session. Get connected, order your Obsidian. This is the Obsidian package, which we are having in 5,85,000 this month. And next month, that is May 1st, the prices are going high. I don't want you to, how many people here were actually talking about that? I wish I could have got Healy 1 year back. I wish I could have done this 1 year back. Don't get into the regret mode. Don't get into the guilt mode. 1 week left, not even 1 week, few days left. The prices are going high. This is the best package what you can have. Beautiful manifestation program, thalamus, vagus nerve, prosperity, family harmony, relationship. Suna na? If wife is wrong or husband is wrong, koi jhagda nahi chahiye. Wife correct hai, Healy bata dega. So please run that family harmony, relationship, no jhagda, always joy and abundance flowing in. Get your abundance pack. This is the abundance pack which is available, and beautiful programs. You will have the this model with the 3 versions, 95, 1,55,000, 2,42,000. जो comfortable है वो लीजिए, but आने दीजिए. Let that flow in. Let the grace flow in. वो आपको बहुत कुछ देना चाहता है. देख लीजिए क्या देना चाहता है. Life would be filled with abundance, magic, and miracles. I love you guys. I will see you inside the community. Be part of the training. Be part of the community. Bangalore, we have a meeting tomorrow in Chennai. So Chennai, we have got physical meeting. If you are there in Chennai, please get in touch with the person who has invited you and attend that. If you are in Bangalore, please get in touch with the person and take the address details. We are having a physical meeting in Bangalore as well. This weekend, Chennai and Bangalore is really vibrating in a high frequency. Let's vibrate. Every city we will be there. We are there. Make sure you are part of the community. Love you guys. See you in the next testimonial night and see you as an angel sharing your testimony in the next episode. Till then, bye-bye. See you. Love you guys. Bye-bye. See ya. Bless all of you to have a beautiful life ahead. Bless you. Bye.